In the rear with the...
We'll need a lot more Marines before we take on the Dominion outpost. Train them up at the barracks. While we're at it, extra SCVs will help us harvest minerals faster. Train them up at the command center.
You got it. Oh, yeah. Orders.
Commander, the Dominion is attacking the rebel base to the southwest.
Good. That'll keep the Dominion off our backs.
Those folks need our help, Titus. There's no way we're leaving them to rot.
The orders? Rebel scum. Of course.
Base is under attack.
Roger that. Sure thing. Can't wait. Oh, yeah. Keep your shirt out, Sparky. I feel you. You got it. Been waiting
Base
on
is under attack.
Outstanding. Orders received. This better be good. Who wants some? I'm on it. 10 more.
You guys sure are a welcome sight. We're with you. Just tell us where you want us.
Welcome aboard, boys.
Give me orders.
It's Raiders, boys.
Ah! You scared me! By the numbers, boys. Been waiting on.
Rayner's the man.
Dominion can go to hell.
This better be good. Huh? I'm going. Armed and ready.
Bad guys are that away.
By the numbers, boys. Who wants been waiting on you?
Warning. Dominion Hellions approaching.
You gonna give me orders? Go ahead. Armed and ready. Big job, huh? Well, butter my biscuit. This better be good.
Is it critical? Standing by.
Who wants some? Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys. You gonna give me orders? Armed and ready. In the rear with the gear. By the numbers, boys. This better be good. I'm on it. You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? Bad news? Been waiting on you. Ah! You scared me! By the numbers, boys. Outstanding. This better be good. Of course. That's fine. Been waiting on you. Outstanding.
nice job cleaning out that bunker, Jimmy. Between your boys and my skills, we are gonna go a long way together.
By the numbers. You gonna give me by the numbers. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Who wants some? Yes, sir. Can't wait. Got it. Been waiting on you. Sure. Oh, yeah. I'm on it.
Unacceptable landing zone.
Who wants some? Gangway, coming through. Go, go, go! Orders received. Yes, sir. You gonna give me orders? That's fine. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. I
barracks and factory trashed. We just gotta mop up any stragglers and we're home free.
Bad news? Been waiting on you.